Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi snippet tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in this short video we're going to show you how to download and install the Divi theme. Once you've purchased your product, go to your elegantthemes.com members area and you'll find your product downloads here. Simply click on the download the Divi theme button. And as you can see, it'll download it to your browser right there. Now once you've got WordPress installed on wherever it is you're building your website, I'm actually building mine locally on my computer here, but yours would probably be on a hosting server. So this is a blank install of the latest version of WordPress. To install the Divi, I'm going to go down to Appearance, Themes. I'm going to add New. And I'm going to click the Upload Theme button. And I'm simply going to drag my Divi download just to the right of the Choose File button and hit the Install Now. Now it says the theme has installed successfully, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the Activate button. Now this is a personal thing, but I like to go in and delete any themes we're not using. It's a good idea to leave one as a backup just in case something happens with the theme you're using. You've got a secondary that instead of displaying nothing, your site will display with those styles. So I'm going to get rid of 19 by simply clicking on it, hitting delete. And the reason for this, I'll do the same with 17, is it just frees up more space on your server. The less files you've got on your server, the easier it is and the faster it is to load your site. Great, so we've got it activated. We need to actually activate it with Divi so we can get all the updates. So go down to Divi, Themed Options, and we'll go over to Updates. And I need to put my username in and paste in my API key. When you're happy, save the changes. There we go. And let's take a look. Divi is now installed. And there we have it. Not very exciting because we haven't put any content in there. As you can see, it's now got the Divi theme. So that's how easy it is to download and install the Divi theme from Elegant Themes. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.